Hi, this is Kamal from Packet Prep, and in this video, we're going to see how we can register for TCS NQT 2021. So, let's get this started. So the link that you have to visit is learning.tcsionhub.in/hub/national qualifier test. So the link for this will be available in the description down below. You can go there and click on that to access the website. So the test is free and the days provided by them are 24th, 25th and 26th of October 2020. And you have to apply before 17th of October 2020 if you want to appear for that exam. And if you want to take a sample test, then you can do that. And the link for that will be available from 30th of September 2020. So if you scroll even further, they have listed out what TCS NQT is and what are the requirements that you have to have before you can apply. And if you scroll even further, then they have defined the structure of the TCS NQT test. So they have given the verbal ability, which is of 24 questions and 30 minutes. And you also have reasoning ability, which is of 30 questions and the time allotted for that is 15 minutes. And the numerical ability with 26 questions and 40 minutes of time limit. So in total, you have 80 questions that you have to answer and the time limit is 120 minutes. So if you have any more questions, you can scroll even further and they have an FAQ section. So you can go there and see what are the answers that they have provided for some basic questions. So you can do that. So now let's go to the top once again and let's register for the exam. So click on register now. And that's going to ask for the email ID and password of your account. So if you already have an account with TCS Ion, you can log into your account. Or if you're new to this, you can create an account as well. And you have an option to create it using any of the social media platforms, or you can directly type in your email and password. So now let's go with the Google option. Click on that. Then you have to select the state in which you're currently residing. So I'm going to select mine and click on continue with Google. Then you have to accept all their policies. So click on I have read and accepted all the guidelines and terms of service and everything else. Then click on OK. Then verify if all your details are correct or not. Then you have to give your date of birth as well. Select the state in which you're residing in, the city as well. And also you have to enter your mobile number. And click on generate OTP. Then you have to enter the OTP which you had received on your mobile number. Once the validation has been done, you can then select the qualification details. So go to the second section and select your highest qualification right now. Then the branch you're currently specializing in, and I'm going to choose computer science, and the graduation month and year of passing. Then you have to select your institute name. So click on these three dots and you have to give in your state first, then your city, and click on search. That's going to list out all the colleges available in that particular location. You can search for yours in the search bar. And if you're affiliated to any of the JNTU colleges, then you can choose JNTUH Institute of Science and Technology. Then you can scroll even further and you have the option to select whether you want to write the exam online, remotely, or you can go and write in center as well. But if you want to write the exam online, then you have to make sure that you have a Windows or Ubuntu based OS and you have Google Chrome installed on your system. And you also have a minimum of 2 Mbps of internet connectivity and a working webcam. So if you don't have access to any of these, then it's better to go with InCenter. And here you can provide the preference for your state and city, and they're going to randomly assign you a test center where you can go and appear for the exam. But I'm going to go with online since I have access to all of these. Then you have to upload your photograph as well. Once you're done with that, you can close this off. And if you want, you can appear for the subject NQT test as well. So as you can see here, it is mentioned that TCS and many other IT companies mandate programming skills as part of the eligibility criterion in the selection process. Without the subject NQT programming score, you will not be able to apply for these jobs with TCS and other IT companies. So do you want to apply for this exam as well? So you can click on yes, and by default it is selected as yes. And the test name is going to be programming and the duration for that is 1 hour and the domain is information technology. If you want, you can see the pattern here as well. It's going to be programming logic with 10 questions of 15 minutes and hand-on exercise of 1 question with 15 minutes and another hand-on exercise with 1 question and 30 minutes. And if you want, you can read through this and you'll have an idea of what that exam is going to contain. Then after you're done with that, you can enter the CAPTCHA and click on the declaration and click on submit. So you're done with successfully applying for that exam and this is your application number. So if you want, you can take a snapshot of this and all the details for this online exam will be provided to you in your mail ID and it will be provided to you 2 days prior to the date of exam. Okay. So this is your application. So if you want, you can make changes to this as well. You can click on edit application and you can make all the changes that you want directly from here. And once you're satisfied with this, you can click on submit and all those changes will be applied. So that's how you register for TCS NQT 2021.